Welcome to this Google Ads Editor tutorial series. I am Neha, a digital marketing expert with 15 plus years of experience in this field. So, today there is a Google Ads Editor tutorial series where I will show you how to work faster, edit campaigns offline, copy campaigns in bulk, fix errors quickly, and save tons of time. Whether you are a beginner or managing multiple accounts, these quick tutorials will help you master Google Ads Editor like a pro. Let's get started. So this is the Google Ads campaign. Okay. Ads with Neha. This is the dummy account. Okay. Now I will show you how to create a campaign in Google Ads Editor. So we are going to take an example for this particular website, nehakadi.wordpress.com. This is my website where I help clients to promote their website online through Google Ads, Meta Ads, and everything. So we will create campaign for this particular website, and we will create first search campaign. Let's get started. Now let's create a Google search campaign in Google Ads Editor. Now this is the Google Ads Editor platform. If you see this platform on the left hand side, there are different columns are there. Okay, different tabs are there. First one is the campaign. Next is ad group, keywords, ads, everything is there. So let's go step by step. First we will create the campaign. So what you have to do is select this particular account, that is ads with Neha, and select this campaign option. Right now, there was one campaign which I have removed it. So in that particular Google Ads platform, if you see here in the Google Ads platform, there is no campaign created. Okay, because this campaign was removed. So let's start. Here, can you see that the add campaign option is there? Select that add campaign option. Now, first one is the campaign setup, and the first option is campaign name. I'll mention search campaign. Okay. Do you want it to include the search partners and the display network visible? Okay. When I like when I start any new campaign, I generally make it visible and disable. If you wanted to check that, okay, how the search partners are performing, you can create a A/B testing for that one and test it how the search partners are performing. But when I start any search campaign, I generally make it disable. Okay. And if I wanted to test, I will test it as a A/B testing. Now select the next option. The goals. These are the conversion tracking goals which you create in the Google Ads platform. But in Google Ads platform, I have not created any conversion tracking yet because that is just a dummy account. So right now I will keep it as account level. Next one. Select the bid strategy. Now there are multiple bid strategies. Strategies are there like manual CPC, maximize clicks, target CPA, target ROS, maximize conversions, maximize conversion value, and target impression share. So I will start with maximize click. Do you want it to keep any bid limit for that one? I generally will not keep any bid limit, at least at the initial level, because I wanted to see how the campaign will perform, what will be the CPC for my overall account. So in at initial level, I will not keep as any bid limit. Enhance CPC, disable. Next one. Now there are the customer acquisition. Now there are three options are there: bid equally for new and existing customers, bid higher for new customers, and only bid for new customers. Whenever you start any new campaign, always bid equally for the new and existing customers because you don't have any data, right? You're starting the campaign from scratch. So I recommend to have this first option selected. Now the next one is the location. As of now, I wanted to keep as a United States. But if you wanted to select any particular city, at the time you have to click this particular option, enter another location. In this box, you have to add that location. For example, I will write Los Angeles. When I select here Los Angeles, California, select this particular city. Double click it and it will add in this location section and select next option. Okay. Now it will ask if you click back and if you wanted to check the location, you can check it again and you can do the edit also. Okay. Now I will keep it as a United States. Now the next option is languages. I will select English as a language. Now the next one is European Union political ads. Are you planning to run these ads? No. Okay. Next one is, yeah, this is the audience sections. I always recommend to add audiences, affinity and in market. These are the audiences performed really well in the campaign. I have tested this audience for multiple clients and they performed really good. Now my website is related to marketing. So I will select here the marketing. Now if you see here the category, here is the broad segment is there, that is in market audience segment. In that particular in-market audience segment, there is another subcategory, that is business services. In this category, there is another subcategory, that is advertising and marketing services. If you wanted to add this broad category, you can add it. And you have to select this particular category and select here. There are the two options given, email marketing services and SEO and SEM services. You can add it over here. Okay. Now I have selected here the SEO and SEM services. Next option. Are you planning to start with AI Max? Initially, I will select as a disable campaign because if you wanted to start as an AI Max campaign, I always recommend to have a separate experiment for that one. Do as a A/B testing and then start. Okay. So at initial stage, disable. Keyword. I don't want any Google AI to create my keywords. I wanted to create it manually. So I'll select skip option. Now here I will mention it as test. Why test? Because I will show you later in this video how to create ad groups and keywords in bulk. Because you will not have any one ad group, right? You will have multiple ad groups, multiple keywords. So how to add those multiple ad groups and keywords in bulk, I will show you later in the video. So right now I am typing it as a test as ad group name and test as a keyword. Next option, in ad copy also, I will show you how to create bulk ads later in this video. So I will right now type anything, because these are all tests and ultimately I'm going to delete it. Okay. There is compulsory, you have to add the 3 headlines. So right now, description also, it will give you, sorry, this, where is this? Yeah, description. Final URL, neha30.wordpress.com. So this is the URL and I will click next option. Site links, right now, I will not add any site links. Next option. Budget. Now sometimes the Google will show you that you have to keep $68 budget, $57 budget, but I wanted to keep it as a $20. So I will write here $20. Now if you see here, it is not showing me any next button. So this is sometimes, Google Ads editor is weird, I try to minimize this screen, but it is not showing me, right? Don't panic. Okay. Try to minimize the screen. It is not showing me. Click here the cross option. Okay. Now this was our search campaign. Now it is showing us error. Why? Because we didn't add the budget, because there was no next button, right? So you have to add your daily budget over here, $20. Now the error has been removed. Okay. Now when you select this campaign, see, when you select this campaign, there is a test option, right? We don't want this test one, right? So delete this particular ad. Now this is the only campaign has been created, but there is no ad group. Fine, because we wanted to create campaign only. So click this campaign. Now there is no ad group, no issues, post it. 2 minutes. It is checking all the data updates. So when I was trying to post it, it was not working, right? It was not showing me anything as of now. Right now, it is not showing me anything. So don't get panic. You have to select here cancel. Now if you see here, the status is, if you see here, the status is not eligible because the campaign is in draft one, right? So this campaign, if you see here, the status is in draft, make it enabled. Okay. Now post it. Can you see here? The create one. Initially, it was not showing me. Why? Because it was in draft one. Post it. Done. The campaign is eligible. See, your campaign can't serve because it contains no active ad groups. We know that. Okay. Ignore as of now. You don't have any conversion tracking enabled. We know that. Ignore that. Okay. Now let's go to Google Ads and refresh it. Now, right now there is no campaigns, but let's see whether the Google Ads editor is posted or not. Select here all one. Can you see here the search campaign? $20 budget. It's learning stage. Search campaign, no ad groups are there. Okay. So you know how to create campaign now in Google Ads editor and how to post it in Google Ads platform. Now let's see how to create ad groups and add keywords in Google Ads campaign. Okay. So what you have to do is open here and select Excel file. First you have to save the file. You can give name whatever you want. I will give ad groups. Sorry. Add groups and make sure you select here CSV. Okay. You can name as it is, whatever you want. Like add groups, keywords, whatever name you want, you can type it. So I have saved it as addgroups.csv. Now make sure you write the columns as it is. Campaign name. In campaign name, C is capital, N is capital. Next one is ad group. In ad group, A is capital, G is capital. The third word is keyword. Only keyword. K is capital. Next one is criterion type. In criterion type, C is capital, T is capital. Next one is max CPC. Max, M is capital, CPC is there. All three letters are capital. Now the campaign name here we have selected over here 2 minutes. Here our campaign name is this one, search campaign. What you have to do is select the campaign name. You can't copy. If you can't copy it, select the campaign here. Go to the name. Can you see here? Copy the name as it is and paste it over here. Okay. Now there are two services which I provide to the client. First is Google Ads, second is the Meta Ads. So I am creating two ad groups. One is for the Google Ads, one is for the Meta Ads. So if someone is searching for my, someone wants like consultation services, free consultation, like I'm giving free consultation also. If someone wants free consultation for the Google Ads, they will go to the Google Ads ad group. They will see all the Google Ads keywords. And if someone wants the free consultation for Meta Ads, they will see all the keywords in the Meta Ads ad group. So let's create two ad groups. Google underscore ads underscore broad underscore. Now, if you're asking me why I have mentioned broad match, sometimes you have two match types in one campaign. Like one is broad, second one is phrase, or maybe you will add phrase and exact. That's the reason we have to separate the keywords as per the match types. Okay, so Google Ads broad match. The first keyword, Google Ads expert. Next keyword, Google Ads specialist. Hire Google Ads expert. Hire Google Ads specialist. Google Ads freelancer. Make sure all Google Ads keywords are only there. Google Ads in Los Angeles. Google Ads agency. Google Ads near. These are the some keywords which I have added. Ad group will be same only. So I will just drag and drop. Campaign name will also same. So I will just drag and drop. Criterion type is nothing but a match type. So I'm selecting here broad match. B capital, M small. Okay. Drag and drop. Max CPC, I will keep it as a $1. Okay. Now it as a bold so you can understand. Make it as a bold so that you can understand. Now what you have to do is, no, I have selected one ad group. So we have to create second ad group, right? For Facebook ads. I forgot that one. So what you have to do is, I'll type here and mention here only Facebook ads. Okay. Now I will copy these keywords and I will paste it over here. Now this is Facebook ads ad group is there. So for Facebook ads ad group, obviously the keywords will be regarding to Facebook ads. So what you have to do, you have to select these keywords. Control F, select replace Google ads with Facebook ads. Replace all. Done. Drag and drop as it is. The campaign name will be same and the ad group will be Facebook ads. Broad match as it is. Max CPC as it is. Done. So we have created one campaign. The campaign was already created basically. So there is one campaign, two ad groups, and in that particular ad groups, keywords are related to that particular ad groups. Okay, this Facebook ads, all the keywords are related to Facebook ads. Broad match 1. You have to select this, Control C, or else right click and copy. Go to Google Ads editor. Make sure you select this account name. Make sure you select this account name. Go directly to keywords. You don't have to select the ad groups. Here the account name and you have to go directly to keywords. Don't select add keyword. When you click this, it means you're adding individual keywords one by one. So you don't have to select this. Make sure you select this one. Then you have to click here, paste from clipboard. Make sure these column names are properly added and matching with your Excel sheet. The campaign name, campaign is there. Campaign name, campaign is there. So that is fine. Campaign name, campaign, that much is fine. You can write here campaign also. Okay. Here in this sheet, there is a campaign ad group. Okay. So name is not there. Editor is changing. So sometimes it's name, sometimes they remove the name. Okay. So right now here it is campaign. Then ad group, keyword, criterion type, yes, and max CPC, yes. Click OK. Ad group created two, yes. We have created two ad groups and there are 16 keywords. Are there 16 keywords? Total are 16 keywords. Yes, it's there. So now here again the next button is not there. Can you see here? So what you have to do is drag and drop. That is the biggest problem of this Google Ads editor. Sometimes it doesn't come, so you have to just drag and drop, finish. Done. One campaign, two ad groups, and in each ad group there are the keywords are there. See here, the match type is broad. See here, the match type is broad. So make sure that you select this account name, post it, ad groups to keywords, and post it. Close. Go to Google Ads campaign. Make sure you refresh it. Okay. See, there is campaign, and in campaign, 2 minutes. It's taking some time here. See, when you select the campaign, there are two ad groups are there, Google Ads, Facebook Ads. When I select Google Ads, all the keywords are related to Google Ads are there. When I select the ad group as Facebook Ads, all the keywords are related to Facebook Ads. Match type is broad. Okay. So this entire ad group structure is added to the Google Ads campaign through Google Ads Edit. Now we have added the keywords in broad match type, right? Now we will add it in the phrase match and then exact match. Okay, so I will show you all the three match types. It depends on you how many match types you have to use. Okay, but I will show you all the three match types. The first one is done with broad match. Now here, instead of broad, we will select. So what you have to do is we just have to select new ad group, right? So basically what we have to do, these are the ad groups related to broad. Now we have to add it as a phrase. So select this ad group, Control F, replace here broad to phrase. Then replace all. So basically you have created new ad groups. One is Google Ads phrase match and the second one is Facebook Ads phrase match. Here phrase match will come. Now this is broad match keyword. So what you have to do is type this inverted two commas. Okay. Put a formula is equal to concatenate N-A-T-E, right? Concatenate. Okay. Bracket. Okay. The first one is over here, comma, this keyword, comma, and this one. Then just make sure you just drag and drop over here, drag and drop. All these keywords are there. Copy these keywords, copy these keywords, click on copy, paste spatial, values, okay. So there is no formula over here, okay. You have to copy these keywords, Control X, Control V. Delete this, everything. Done. So basically you have added this in phrase match. Copy these keywords, select these keywords, copy, same thing, go to the Google Ads editor, account, keywords directly, make multiple changes, paste from the clipboard, okay. 2 new ad groups created and 16 ads are added. Again, the next button is not here. Minimize and click finish option. Here the 4 ad groups are selected, to broad and to phrase. Okay. Make sure you select here account and post here. Don't forget to post. Okay. Now total there are how many ad groups? 4 ad groups are there. Okay. Go to your Google Ads campaign. select campaign, refresh it first. Always refresh it. Whenever you post something from editor to Google Ads, always make sure you refresh it. Okay. Select this campaign. All these 4 ad groups are there. Now, if you select this particular phrase match, all the keywords are added to the phrase match. Okay. So are you confused with this, the formula which I have used? Okay. If you are confused, I will show you again how to add it in a exact match type. In that particular point of time, I will explain it very slowly. Okay. Now let's see how to add keywords in exact match. So what you have to do is you have to create another 2 ad groups. One is Google Ads exact match and the second one is Facebook Ads exact match. So you have to select this ad group, Control F, replace. Now here phrase is there, you have to replace it with exact. Replace all. Now the 2 ad groups are created. Now here first remove this, okay? These 2 inverted commas, we have to remove it. Select this keywords, Control F, replace with nothing, okay? Replace all. Done? Yeah. Now there is nothing is there. It's like, it's looking like a broad match. Here we want it exact match. Sorry. What I will do is I will type here exact match and drag and drop. That will be the easy one. Now I will show you how to create formula. Now for the exact match, there is opening bracket is there and next one is closing bracket is there. Okay. Select this true, drag and drop. Basically what you have to do is select this two. Can you see here this square option is there? You have to select this, it will drag and drop. If it is not possible for you, select this and drag it. Okay, done. Now you have to use concatenate formula. Is equal to concatenate, okay, opening bracket, first select this one, comma, keyword, comma, this one, and close the bracket. Done. Select this keyword, drag and drop. Okay. Now when you select this keyword, everything comes, can you see here? It's in formula. Okay. You want this to be in keyword, right? It is showing me the formula. So what you have to do is select this keywords, right click, copy, right click, paste spatial values. Now all the formulas are removed. Select these keywords, Control C, Control V, and you have to delete this. We don't need right now. Okay. Done. Select this. Go to Google Ads editor. Select this particular account. Go to keywords. Make multiple changes. Paste from clipboard. 2 new ad groups are created. 16 keywords are added. Finish. Make sure you post it. Always post it. Okay. Done. Go to Google Ads campaign. Refresh it. Always refresh it. Okay. This was our campaign. Select this campaign. See the exact match is there. Let's see the Facebook ads exact match. All the keywords are in exact match. See. Next ad group was Google ads exact match. Where is the yes? All the keywords are in exact match. So this way you have to add all the keywords in Google Ads platform through Google Ads editor. So we have added all the three match types now. Now let's see how to add ad copies in Google Ads platform. Now this is the sheet which I have created. I will put the link of this sheet in the description box. Okay. Now when you open this sheet, it is saved in XLS form. You can save it as CSV also. Here in downloads, you can put it as a CSV. Okay, done. It is in CSV format, and all these details I will mention it in the description box. Now what you have to do, the first column is a campaign name. So make sure that you copy the exact campaign name over here. Done. How many ad groups are there for this campaign? Select this campaign and go to the ad groups. So there are 6 ad groups. Copy the name as it is. Okay. The second one is Facebook ads broad match. The third one is the phrase match. Make sure that the names are copied properly. Okay. Otherwise, the ad copies will not get uploaded. Here, campaign name as it is. So drag and drop. What is the URL? Yeah, the URL was here. This one. Yeah. Same. Just select here, drag and drop. Done. If you want to mark as label that you wanted to give label to that particular ad copy, that later on you can identify this is the formula based ad copy, this is the keyword based ad copy and all that, so you can use that one. I generally use it as a label, so whenever I create new ad copies, I give it a label to that particular ad copy so that I can find it out whether this particular ad copy is performing or that particular ad copy is performing. So I will write here keyword ad copy. So basically I will come to know that it has keywords in the headlines. Okay. Now the headline one. The first ad group is Google Ads. The first headline will be keyword based headline. Best Google Ads expert. First, I will write the headline 1 for all the ad groups because headline 1 is generally a keyword based ad copy. It means your main keyword should be there in the headline 1. Rest of the headlines will be related to your features, benefits, your CTA buttons and all that. But the headline 1 will be your keyword. Next one is Facebook as expert. Google as specialist. Facebook as specialist. Best Google as expert. Best Facebook as expert. Okay. So these are the some. Okay, these two are same. Facebook as expert. Best. Higher. Here also I'll mention higher, and here best. So this is best, main here. So nothing is duplicate. Okay, done. Now here, headline 1 position. I generally put it as a 1. It means, what do you mean by this? Headline position 1 means you should always show this headline in position 1. No matter what, whatever the other headlines, whatever the sequence it will come, it doesn't matter for other headlines, but headline 1 should be there in the position 1. Because why I do that? Why I do? Because I want my main keywords to show to the user, because these are all my main keywords are there. These are the services which I provide to client. So I want my headline 1 to be shown to the user. That's why I always mark it as a position 1. Now for the rest of the headlines, I will just copy paste. Okay. Second headline is get more lead fast. Drag and drop. I don't want in headline 2 position, I don't want any of the positions. So I will just drag and drop. It is blank. Can you see here? The two sleeping lines are there. It means I don't want any position. Let it be whatever it comes. Okay. So here I mark it as a 1, but here I don't have any restriction. So I will keep it as it is. Headline 3, drag and drop. Position, headline 3 also, I don't want any position. For rest of the headlines and all that, I don't want any position. 4 as it is. Bias. 6. 7. You can put as many headlines as you want, but I generally put like almost 15-16 headlines, so that I can test it later on. I can come to know which headline is working and all that. If you want, you can put it only 10 headlines also. That totally depends on you. Once you paste these headlines, I mean, if you store these headlines somewhere, it's very easy to copy paste, right? Doesn't take much time. And last one is this one. So we have added all the headlines. Make sure all the headlines are under 30. And next one is description. I have added this description. If you want, I don't want any position for description 1. But for example, I want description 2 should be shown in position 2. So I'll mark it as 2. I don't have any restriction for description 1, but I want description 2 to be shown in second position, second line. So I will mark it as 2. I'm just giving you an example. Okay. I don't have any restriction for description 3, and I also don't have any restriction for description. Now the path 1, it means it will show in next to the URL. So let's see what is path 1 and path 2. So this is just an example, modern living room furniture, and this is the ad copy. And what is the path 1? So this is your URL, www dot whatever your URL is there, and this is path 1 and path 2. Okay, so basically you can use all your services, all your main keywords over here. So in our case, the first ad group is Google Ads, next Facebook, again Google, again Facebook, again Google, again Facebook. So I'll mention over here Google underscore ads expert. So it was alternate, right? And here I will mention Facebook ads expert. Done. So this is the ad copies which I have created. Select this everything. Control C or right click and copy. Go to your Google Ads editor. Select the account. Go to ads, responsive search ads. Make sure you select responsive search ads. Make multiple changes. Can you see here? Don't click here. It means you have to add the ad individually. But you have to select here. Make multiple changes. Paste from clipboard. All the columns are added properly. See here. All the columns are added properly. Okay. 6 added. How many ad copies were there? Total 6 one. All these 6 ad copies are added. Again, the next button is not there. You have to make it small. Finish. Done. Make sure you post it. Don't forget that one. 6 ad copies are created and 1 label which we have created, right? This label. Okay. Post it. Close. Go to Google Ads platform. Refresh it. Select the campaign. Go to add copies. Add section basically. All the 6 ad copies are added. And click on the edit button. I will just show you what was the headline position 1 which we have added. Here see headline position marked it as 1. So this means this headline will always show in position 1. See here. No matter what headlines will come after that, but this will always show in the position 1. So in this way, we have to create bulk, creation of ads in Excel first. Then we have to upload it in Google Ads Editor, and then we have to post it, and all the ad copies are automatically gets published over here. It's easy, right? Now let's see how to add extensions in Google Ads campaign. Now what you have to do is there is an account over here, right? So you have to go here. Can you see here the ad assets? You have to go to the ad assets. Now first start with site link extensions. So click here, add site link. Okay. You can either add it at the account level, campaign level, or ad group level. I will add it as a campaign level. So that will be the best because each campaign will have its separate site links. So I will add it as a campaign level site links. So this is my campaign. I wanted to add the site link. So I will select the campaign and I will click OK. Then, okay. So, okay. Okay. When I click OK, then there is a link test. So what are the site links? It's basically, I have only one page website, but if you have like multiple pages on your website, this is about me. The next page is contact us page or maybe about your services page. So for each services, for each page, you have to add it as a site link. So for each page, there will be a separate site link. For example, if you're having any services page, then for that services page, there will be one site link. Contact us page, one site link. Regarding that one. Okay, now I will create one site link because I'm giving book free consultation. I'm giving here 30 minutes free consultation for any Google ads or any Facebook ads campaign. It's a free consultation from my side. You can also book it if you want. So let's create for that one. Now, if I click here, copy link address. Copy link address means basically what happened. Click on this. You can either copy this URL or else right click and copy link address. Both are the same. So here link test is book free consultation. I will add the URL over here. I have noted down some description. Get expert marketing advice, free strategy call. So this was one site link was there. Click here, post it, post. Right now, I just have this one page that is the contactors page. That's why I'm adding only one site link. But if you're having like multiple pages, you can add multiple site links. Done. Go to your campaigns and refresh it. This is the campaign. I select the campaign. Go to the assets. Now here, click here site link. And if you see here, this is the site link which we have added. And just check this site link. Everything is there. Okay. So in this way, we can add the site links to the campaign. Now let's see how to add callouts to the Google Ads campaign. So what are the callouts? Callouts are nothing but the features and benefits of your website. Why you're different than your competitors. It's like highlighting your unique selling points, your USP. Why you're different than your competitors. Okay. So let's go to this campaign, add assets and callouts. Here also you can add it as a campaign account level, campaign level and ad group level. I will add it as a campaign level. Select the campaign. Okay. This is the first one. Now the first one is free consultation. Is the simplest one. Okay. Free consultation. Now the next one, add call out. The second one is added. Select. Now ROI focus campaign. You just have to copy and paste it. Next one, add a call out. And if you wanted to add like another two, select 2 times. Okay. Now select all these, select shift all this you have selected. Okay. Now all these 3 came here. So every time you don't have to click here plus button. Okay. So what you have to do is copy, paste it. This is what I do. Okay. It's actually my unique selling points. So if you want a free consultation, just let me know. If you wanted to create any campaign, you just my call. I'll provide everything in the description. So these are the all callouts which we have added. Last is post one. Don't forget this. Close, refresh. Select here callout. All these callouts are added. Now the next one is the structure snippet. Structure snippet is nothing but what type of services or what courses you are selling. Okay, I will show you. Again here, select the account, add assets, structure snippets, campaign level, search campaign, select your campaign. Okay. Now here, if you see, select this on the right hand side, language, English. What is this? Are you selling amenities? Do you have any brands, courses, degree programs, hotels, insurance models, service catalog? But in my case, it is a service catalog. Status enable. What type of services are you providing? I'm providing Google Ads, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn Ads, Amazon Ads, conversion tracking setup, reportings, complete detailed reporting, in fact, with the help of Google Analytics, everything. So detailed reporting. So these are all my services which I provide. So make sure you click post. Go and refresh it. Go to the structure snippet. All these your you can check this service catalog and all your Google Ads. I will just show you. I will click the edit and I will just show it to you. See, all this service catalog is present. So we have done the site links, callouts, and structure snippets. Now let's see how to add the call extensions. That is the phone number. Here, call assets. Click the account and go down here. Select the call assets. Add at the campaign level. Select the campaign. Okay. Select again. Okay. Phone country is United States. Whatever your phone number is, I have like I'm writing a random number. Okay. This is not a valid number. I'm just telling you conversion actions. You have to select your proper conversion action. Select post. Sometimes it takes time actually. Done. Again, you have to refresh it. Go to the calls. Here the phone number is added. Okay. Now I will show you how to add negative keywords. Okay. Now I recommend to go to the Google Ads campaign, go to the tools, shared library and exclusion list. I recommend to create the negative list over here. Add negatives and here you can add, for example, free, for example, PDF. I'm not giving any PDF ebooks. For example, I'm just giving you an example. Click here the save. Click the negatives, add to the campaigns, select the campaign, apply. Now this negative list is added to a campaign. If you refresh it, it will show one campaign. It is showing me the one campaign because it is applied to one campaign. For example, if you wanted to add countries as a negative, so you create separate list and I don't want it to target India, for example. Okay, I don't want it to target any other countries like Denmark, for example. Just select this one, save. Again, I will add this campaigns and select campaign and apply. Okay. Now what you have to do is if you wanted to see this negative keyword list over here, get recent changes, more data, all campaigns and click OK. Okay. So basically whatever the changes, see whatever the changes we do in the editor, we have to post it to the Google Ads, right? Now we have done the changes over here. Now we wanted to import it to Google Ads editor. Then in that case, we have to get recent changes and download the data. Basically, it will download all the changes which we have done in Google Ads campaign. Can you see here? Accounts tab, keywords and negative keyword list. These are the two lists which we have created, right? So like this, two keywords counts are there. So that was all about the Google Ads editor tutorial. If you like this video, I request you to please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Okay. And if you really wanted to book a free consultation, then you can click the link to my website and click here the book your free consultation button and you can get a 30 minutes free consultation call where we will discuss all your current problems, what you're facing, what is your campaign's goal, objectives, what are the things you wanted to achieve. Everything we will discuss in this consultation call. And let's see how we can move forward. And one more thing, I have one Etsy store also. I have created some templates like Google Data Studio. Now I'll show you just one example. This is Facebook Ads Planner, Facebook Ads Report, Google Analytics 4 report. It's very nice actually. Google Ads report. If you see here, it is a Google Ads report is there. So you will get all these ready-made report. Okay, all this report will be there. You just have to go and copy the template and you can replicate it for multiple campaigns. So this is Google Ads report is there. You have Facebook Ads Planner, how to plan your Facebook Ads campaign. Everything is there. This is the Facebook Ads report. Google Analytics report is also there. You know, you can plan the Google Analytics. Then I have one social media planner also. You can get multiple colors on this. Okay, this is social media content planner is there, and for this particular, I have multiple colors also. You can plan your all social media content over here. I will just give you see. There are various colors: sage and pink, mint green, peach and beige, pink and green, purple and blue, and all that. So right now, some colors may be not available here and there, but this is my uh, Etsy platform is there. I will make sure that everything is available. Some keywords are there. I find out some keywords for particular categories. You can download those keywords. There is a lead magnet email sequence. This is my highest selling actually product. This is the email marketing flows for e-commerce. So if you have any e-commerce business, you will get this welcome series 5 email, product launch and all that. So you can get this product also. Okay. And if you really like my tutorial, then please, I request you to please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.